Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert a text file to PDF. Now as you can see here in my downloads folder, I have a text file, right? This is a txt file. If I right click on that and go to properties, you will see that this is a text file, right? It's created in notepad, it's a text file, and I'm going to simply go ahead and open up that file. You can see the preview from the right hand side as well, and if I open that file, you will see that it's just a regular text file. Now let me show you how to easily go ahead and convert this to PDF, right? So for whatever reason you want to convert a text file to PDF, could be that you just want to share a copy, you want no one to alter that file, and you just want them to be able to view the document without making any changes. So converting that to PDF is a great way, right? So how do you do that? You want to open up your browser, guys, and you want to head over to sodapdf.com. Right now I'll be sharing the link of this website in the description. You can use it for absolutely free, and you are able to easily convert text to PDF. Now if you're simply head over to sodapdf.com, you will be able to find quite a lot of those free tools that allow you to convert text to PDF. And if you hover over the more tools, you see that you have text to PDF and also other options to convert to PDF as well. But in any case, I'll be putting the link in the description of this video. So you want to head over to sodapdf.com, and you want to simply click and choose file, or you can drag and drop your file, select the text file, and once you upload the file, it will go ahead and allow you to convert that text file to PDF. Now it's very fast, and once it is done, it will automatically convert that file to PDF and download it for you. And as you can see, it opens up in PDF. For me, if I close it and even go back to my downloads folder, you will see that it creates a PDF document for me. So this is the PDF document that it is created from my text file. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.